Here are 3 things you should do before you even start flying for your private pilot certificate. The first thing you should do is go get your medical. If you can't pass your medical, you can't fly. So before you invest any money in the flying or your private pilot certificate at all, go make sure you can pass your medical. The second thing you should do before you start the flying is get the ground school and your written exam out of the way. I did it this way and I really liked being able to focus on the flying when I was doing the flying and not having to worry about ground school or the written exam. Now, I did wait a year between when I passed the written exam and started the flying. I don't recommend that. I recommend timing it correctly so you finish your ground school and then you jump into the flying and all of the information is fresh in your mind. There are a bunch of different ground schools online that you can choose from. I went with Pilot Institute and I really liked it. I scored a 93% on my written exam, and we have a coupon code for Pilot Institute linked below if you're interested. The third thing you should do is have a financial plan in place. Whether you've saved up the money for it or you have a different plan, make sure you have it in order before you even start. You are going to spend way more time and money if you start flying and then have to stop for a little bit of time because you don't have the money and then start again. You're going to have to relearn a bunch of stuff. You're going to have to spend money doing that. So have that financial plan in place. So there you have it. Those are 3 important things that I think you should do before you even start flying for your private pilot certificate. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and we'll get back to you. Also be sure to check us out on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok at Aviation Adventures. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Callie with Aviation Adventures.